Okay, so today is October 22nd, 2023, and this is going to be the first startup of my 1996 Heil gas furnace for the 2023-2024 heating season. This is the furnace for the downstairs level of my house and is matched up to the 1988 Carrier Round 1 unit. I'm going to remove the front cover of the furnace and then fire it up. Alright, so the heat's on. Here are the burners. That doesn't look that healthy. There's a bunch of orange flashes. And I don't know if this is going to turn the rollout switch or what, but there's the gas valve, there's the data sheet from 1996, there's the evaporator right here. It's also Heil, it's also from 1996. You feel some heat coming out of the burners. I'm probably gonna shut this thing off soon. So I guess, thank you for watching and over and out.